Hey y'all, it's Bear. Cooking up Canteen Cup Tuesday, and I thought I'd show you another piece of gear. I'd been wanting this thing for some time, and I finally broke down and bought it about 2 years ago, and I haven't got it out to use it yet. But I just thought I'd give you a quick peek at it, and maybe we can bring it out and do some cooking with it. Hold on a second, y'all. My tortellinis are erupting into a violent boil here. Alright, so this is the Stanley cooker and nesting cups. And just like it comes off the shelf, we're in at 14.2 ounces or 402 grams. Alright, so here's a Nalgene bottle for comparison. So she's a little smaller than the Nalgene. Maybe the top width is just a hair bigger, and the bottom's the same size as a Nalgene. So let's open it up and see what we've got. It holds 24 ounces. It's stainless steel. It says it's grill ready. It includes 2 cups. Single wall insulation. And that's important. You don't want to put something on the fire to boil water if it's got double wall insulation going on. That's going to be a problem for you. It's dishwasher safe. It includes 2 10-ounce insulated cups. Has a long handle. It's got a vented lid. Isn't that good looking pot? And kind of like, it's got a little spring-loaded handle here, so they're nice and stable when it clips in. When it comes back up onto the top, nice and stable to hold your stuff in there. Alright, so your lid's got your drain holes and an air hole to come back in, which is an improvement over my Pathfinder here that only has the drain holes. Okay? And it's also an improvement that I can spin this guy any way I want to drain it off, and that one there, it's awkward for me because I'm right-handed. It's got one of their heavy plastic tops here, and these have been known to melt in the campfire, but there's some mods for that. Comes with some information for us, but you know, we don't need that. Men, right? There we go. There's our 2 nesting cups. Man, those are great for coffee. Nice thick insulated walls, help keep your coffee nice and warm. Let's see what a coffee cup weighs. So 1 coffee cup is 82 grams or 3 ounces. So the pot and the lid all on its own. Come in at 7.9 ounces or 223 grams. little slide here comes down so you won't accidentally squeeze your handle in while it's on the stove. It's got measurement markings for you here along the cup. Those are indented on the inside so you can see them when you're pouring your water in. Man, can't fault Stanley for the construction of this guy. It's built really nice. So there you go, just a quick peek at a piece of cooking equipment that I've got, and I haven't got out to use it yet, so maybe we'll do that together. Alright, we'll see you on the trail. Oh yeah.